Welcome back. Now, owing to the LPG fear-mongering that is being done on part of the opposition, there seems to be police in Bidar which has now cracked down the illegal storage of LPG cylinders in the district. What is being said that a large quantity of cylinders have now been taken into custody and 4 individuals have been arrested. The raid that was led by the Bidar SP in the outer zone of Janwada village following credible information about unlawful storage activities. And during the operation, the police has seized nearly 105 gas cylinders along with vehicles used for transportation. Now, the total value of the seized property is estimated around 18 lakhs. Let's connect with Navya on this. So, Navya, they didn't even have the required proper documentation as far as distribution of these cylinders are concerned, and they were expected to be sold off in black market.
Well, yes, Amita, in fact, there was no proper documentation for them to transport these cylinders. And after receiving the information that it was illegally being stored and transported, the Bidar SP, along with other officials, formed a team and raided them and arrested four accused who were involved in this illegal storaging and transportation of LPG cylinders. Amid what's going on in the state, in the country, over a shortage of LPG cylinders, nearly 105 LPG cylinders were being transported, which is worth 18 lakhs, and now 4 of them have been arrested, and the police have initiated a further investigation to crack down on the gang which is operating and how they are networking in and around the districts regarding this.
Right. So the action that has now been initiated, Navya, how many people have been arrested and where did they actually source these cylinders from?
Well, yes, Amita, as far as the information, these cylinders were nearby a warehouse where from there they have, literally transported these cylinders and 4 of them have been involved in this, and the police as of now have arrested 4 of them in the case, and they are further investigating to crack down on the gang or the team that is operating behind this, or how these networks are functioning on the same.
All right. Navya, thank you very much for joining in with those details. So 105 cylinders have now been seized in Bidar district with the raids being carried out.